think I figured out the electricity, how to do the electricity and get a good recording, which is gonna allow me to take note at what each level of the shock intensity applies to what. I'm looking very forward to that. And please put in your donations at any time if you are here in chat. Like to say hello, please do so. Skinner box shock levels. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna switch this to 200 volts. Okay. And what I figured out was I had the leads in the wrong place. So we're gonna try to put the leads in the right place this time. And I did some testing yesterday just so I had an idea. I still don't know how to measure current. So, not being an electrician, electrical engineer, or anything like that, I don't know how to do it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put, should probably send the lead around the back here. At least the positive. Okay, great. So glad these are long leads. So the red one is gonna go into the hot end of the plug. The positive, the hot lead. Stick it in there. While still also supplying power. While still also applying power to the grid. Come on. It does not want to do it for me. Not want to do it. There we go. Hopefully that's in. It's reading 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Okay. Reading something right now, so that's good. Okay. And the other thing, and if I move that out of the way, the other thing is so you can see the shock grid. The other thing is now the common wire. What it's going to do. Let me put this all the way down to 1 so we can start with level 1 and work from there. The shock grid now is going to... I need to complete the circuit with this lead by itself. And so how you complete the circuit in the shock grid is you just connect this lead to... two of the poles on the shock grid, and you can see that when I do that, okay, I'm gonna try to do this inside here. There we go. There we go. Wait, no. There we go. Nope. No, it's not a good enough connection here. Oh wait, no, that is the right value. Sorry, I was getting confused. Okay, I think that's touching. It's no longer touching. Okay. Yes. So there we go. On level 1, we have 6.9 volts. Great. Excellent. And you can see that right there. See that right there. Now, When I move up to level 2, watch what happens. Level 2. Level 2. Well, level 2 doesn't really have a... Still 6.9. Well, it was supposed to be a little bit more dramatic than that. It's decreasing. Aw, come on! Why aren't you gonna work for me now? People are watching! People are watching. The hell? These numbers are not the same as they were yesterday. Ay, 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 ay. Here we go. Okay. That only shows 3 volts. Great. I swear this worked yesterday. I swear this worked yesterday. So that's what level is that? Okay, that decreased to 13. There we go. That's the number I was looking for. That's the number I was looking for. It's actually 13. What was it again? 13.1. I'll just say 13.1. Okay. And if I look at level 2, level 2 on the shot grid, let's skip to level 4, shall we? Or no, let's skip to level 3. 14. .1 volts. Not bad. Like, it could be better, but, you know, not bad. Let's skip to level 5. Level 5 of the shot grid. That's not right. 17.6 at level 5. This should be there. 17.6 volts at level 5. Let's go to the middle of level 6 and level 7. Let's go to the middle of level 6 and level 7. Alright, get you plugged in there. 23.5. 23.5 for right here. Alright. Let's do level 8. Shock intensity 8. We have 32.8. Whoa. 32.8 volts. No wonder why it hurt. Number 10. Level 10. What do we got? 57.3 at level 10. and then all the way up. Is that all I'm gonna get? 58.5. All the way up. 58.5. All right. So you can tell the difference between the two of them, or between the levels here, right? So at this, and this is all at the same. It's all at the same amperage, and potentially the same resistance. So we've got 13 volts for the lowest level and 58 volts for the highest. And of course, you get more energy, I guess, through Ohm's law. Add down here with more volts if the current stays the same. So that's why this 58, 60 volts hurts more than this 10, 13 volts, right? So you've got that. Let's crack this baby open. I got a screwdriver. I got some pliers just in case. I don't know. I'm gonna unplug it too because I should try to take it apart with. There we go. All right. All right. So how was your day? I'm doing okay. Just a lazy Sunday. Unscrewing things. Unscrewing. Go ahead and put this open. Let's take this one off. If there's one kind of screw that I hate with a passion, it is flathead screwdrivers. Flathead screw. They're old school. They're more older school than what you would think. As I step on my meter. All right, I just hit my phone, I think. And that's gonna hit the these two. Actually, let's get these 4 cheapers. Right. Hey, yeah, how's it going, everyone? Right. I think this is really good educational content. How do I get inside the same box? Well, you kind of just need a screwdriver. And by golly, eventually you'll get in it. Eventually. Maybe not now. Maybe never. Eventually. Whee! How about the election results, y'all? Yeah, man. Wow. Oops. Together. Put it back. Should get out. Okay. Take these two and move them. Bottom. Don't know how much I need to take off before it's like, you can pull it off. It already seems like it's fairly malleable here. Good. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. Feel free to donate to the. Donate to the Project. Great organization. It's a great organization. Trying to get into this. Scanner box. I'm sorry, that's not how the screw right here. That's hilarious. Get inside. Inside you. Sorry, what did you say? I should show you. That's what he said. TBD. Great view. It's a great view. Sorry, everyone. I know. Like the best view ever. Little screws take forever. Why are they so big? Okay. Successfully able to get that one out. More screwing, or I should say, at this point, unscrewing. Oh, don't forget, you can take out your poop tray. Take that out. Wash that out. Probably gonna rat poop. Pigeon poop in there somewhere. In the lifetime of this tier box. I don't know how clean it's been. It's gotten. You know. Come on. How'd you get? Get. Let's do it. Here we go. There we go. All right. Got that one out. There. Take one out too. All right. Go. Go. To friendo. All right. And come on. Here it is. It's this one right here. Let's try to get out and be in pain. I'll do it. 4 large nuggets. It's done. Take these leads out. At least separate it. Gotta keep them separated. And then those are soldered in there. Okay. So, unscrew these with my fingers because I can. Seriously. Well, there is a strong case for redundancies here. You get some purple on the right. Everybody remember that. Purple on the right. Purple on the right. Red on the left. Purple on the right, red on the left. Alright. Here, wait. Careful. Careful. Okay, so that I can put this one back in because I don't need it to do anything with. Haha, that's what fell out. There was a nut. Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. I got it, everyone, I got it. We're good, we're good. Okay. I'll angle the camera up in a moment. Or the angle the camera a little better. Great, okay. I'm gonna pliers here, I need to steady this. I am not entirely sure what this is. It's coated, not coated, but caked in there. Surrounded by something? I don't know. I mean, I could get it out of the way because I'm blocking the shock grid thing, but oh well. Shock grid's actually a pretty simple circuit. It's kind of interesting on what it is we're looking at. Right. Why don't we do this? We can do this. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. You can dream it. You can do it. All right.
So, getting light on this, shining light on this. Let's see what we got in here. So, this is what I was saying. This is some piece of paper packed around something, which I don't know is what he's got. It's... Well, that's the main... Well, that's 3 amps. So that's interesting. That's 3 amps. And then over here, what do we got? That's a fuse. That's a fuse, I guess. That's a fuse. It's input for something. I don't remember what it is input for. Which one? This is the 100 RR9026. That must increase the resist. It must increase the resistance when you turn it up. Okay, so we've got the plug coming in. There. Okay. So these are the counters. Interesting stuff. Okay. Big giant battery. 50 volts. I'll plug it in there. See what it does. Oh my god, my fingers! Just kidding, there's nothing wrong with me. Okay, so the shock grid's on now. The light, it's on. It's on. Oh wait, the shock grid's not on. Sorry. I disconnected it. The shock grid is not on. But yeah, this thing looks really cool. I can tell. What does work all those things? Key light? The light works? Yeah, light works. That thing's spinning there. It's probably the... Yeah, it's definitely a bad angle for y'all. You know, sometimes I really wish, like, there were things in here that... some things that were, like, labeled. Okay, so these is the hot wire. That's telling that to shush. Okay, so it's going there. This is coming back. This is coming in. This is going into there. Into there. And that's going back here all the way around. But it's also... Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so that's going down into something off here. Can't seem to tell that they disappear. So I wonder if this has to do with... I don't know, if this has to do with, reducing the voltage by the time it gets here, I think. Something like that. Because this white wire... Oh, okay. So this is for the kinds of... Series versus parallel in there. Okay. Oh. That's the inside of the sandbox. The inside of a sandbox.